Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xero code template. So first, you may want to head over to Xero and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, click on your profile name, then click on Settings. Next is scroll down and click on Invoice Settings. Now this is where you can pretty much customize your codes template. You can start by clicking on New Branding Theme. Now from here, you can explore and customize everything to your preference. Then once done, make sure that you click on Save. You can also upload a logo by clicking on Upload Logo, then browse. Then click on Upload. This logo will then included on your template. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!